Hey, I'm Lori Ballen. I want to show you super quickly today a new change that rolled out with IDX Broker. So, for those of my clients and students that are learning with me on how to get more leads through your real estate agent website, and you've adopted IDX Broker or you're considering adopting IDX Broker, I want to show you that you have so many options. But today, I simply want to show you how to change the results page on your website. So let me show you an example. This is the old way. So somebody does a search on your website and they first see the big map up here. And this is actually really cool, guys. In case you haven't seen this, they can zoom all the way in. They can look at one house. They can zoom all the way in and look at the house on a street. A lot of people don't even realize what these maps do. So you can really get a good idea for that house that's in that area. Okay, and then this is the traditional results page. Now, there's lots of options to change that results page. If I go over here to IDX Broker, actually, first, let me show you the newest one. It's called Atlas. So here it is. Now when they do a search, the map is over here. And this kind of has more of a Zillow feel, if you will, with all of the homes here popping up on the right-hand side. And they can favorite them, and then it'll have them log in to save their searches. So it's really a matter of what you like better. What do you think is aesthetically more pleasing? I have not tested these on heat maps yet to check which ones perform better because this just rolled out. So this is called Atlas. So if we go to IDX Broker here, and we're going to go up to Designs, Pages, down to Results. Where's the results page? There we go. Then you're going to come over here and you're going to click on Edit, and we're going to edit the layout. And as you can see here, here is where I have the Atlas results. Now, we have customized a lot of our IDX, and that's why these look the way they do. Now, it makes me consider changing that so that I don't have this big gold banner here anymore. We just see the houses. So I've got to talk to my development team about that. So you guys probably won't see that. You'll probably see the houses behind it, based more on looking at this picture. See how they've got it down in the bottom left. So I'll probably have them put the CSS back to more like these results. So you'll be able to see that if you don't have any customization. So here's Home Atlas, or here's the old traditional. You can also have it show up like a grid. You can have it show up with all of these colors. And let me show you the difference. I'm going to click Activate. So here was the results page. And let me show you. Now I just changed it, and now we get this view instead. Okay. Or we can go back and say, you know, I don't like that at all. Maybe I want to see what it looks like in a 2 column. So let me restore this now. Let's look at it again. Yeah, I don't like that at all. Okay. And then we go back and we look at it with mobile first results. So this is just how I play with it. I just click through each one, activate it, and then hit refresh, and then you can look at what it looks like. Now, don't forget to go over to your mobile device and pick what you like on mobile. Anyway, it's going to be completely different. So this is what it looks like on desktop. They can scroll like that. And then one more time, if we put it back to Home Atlas, this is the newest one. We get the map on the left, and we get the grid of homes here instead. And then as soon as they click through, then they're actually able just to go to next property, next property, next property. So it's really just what you believe is the most aesthetically pleasing. So that is the new layout Atlas with the map with IDX Broker. Now, if you are looking to update your real estate agent website, my company, ballenbrands.com, I've got a couple options for you. One, there's a link in this video for IDX Broker. So if you've got your own WordPress website, you know what you're doing a little bit, you can actually use my link, and then you're going to save $99 on your setup fee. If you don't know what you're doing and you'd like to have help getting this all set up, we actually build real estate agent websites with full functioning CRMs, cultivation funnels, text dialers, analytics. We write your blog content. We can do your pay-per-click marketing. So reach out to us at ballenbrands.com. The link is in this video to set yourself up with IDX Broker. I'm Lori Ballen. Thanks for joining me today.